Minista muviani usesei wa nthini Kipchumba Murkomen niwavuthiisya matisya kusikatwa nthini wa koti wa nthi syonthe isese kumana na ndeto syake sya kwenda maovisa ma volisi kuatha enenthi ala meutata kuvithukia isese sya volisi kavindani ka miatianio. Murkomen yesya kana endeea kutetea maovisa ma volisi nindeisa kwitikila maovisa a kunyamasya enenthi uvathukanio na miyao. Mboni matisya nokuelesya.
Kumana na musukumo kuma kwa tetingaleko ne ulaiva Kenya la methuto masukumia maundu kwa vukanyu muviani wa usesei yu Minista muviani wa usesei wa nthini Kipchumba Murkomen niwavuthiisya la Mekwasya kana nimeutwa eneyanda muviani wa usesei kotini wa isese kumana na mauthuku ala makitikite ya Kenya memokone ma maovisa ma volisi kana ma usesei na muno ivindani ya maandamano.
On the question of somebody going to court to sue us for defending people of Kenya and their property and the state from anarchists, terrorists, and those people who have want to subvert our constitutional order. I want to say that I am very confident and clear in my mind that myself and the IG and the team have worked diligently within the constitution, within the confines of the constitution to defend this nation. And given another chance like that, we will do the same.
Murkomen yasya kana weni wesimia ona ena mwikio kana wena eneyanda langi muviani wa usesei ni mathukumite matimi yao na wendesa kukia kana kuthingitha ila utwaisya uthukumi wake.
I know what the law says, I know what ICC statute says, I know what the penal code says, I know what the various legislation in Kenya say, and I am very clear in my mind. I defend the IG, the DCI and everybody else who has been mentioned adversely because they have just been doing their job within the law to make this country safe. Interestingly, all these people who have been speaking about us, they say nothing about the amount of terror that has been meted on the people of Kenya by anarchists who have banned police stations, banned supermarkets, banned courts, banned vehicles, banned administrative units to the extent that people even died in Olkalau inside a cell.
Kavinda ni kau Minista Murkomen wa Kenya teti maikatu mendere itonya kwa uthe uvungulwa muo kana kuingianisya Kenya na kuwete nduthi na kuananga muo wa nthino.
Investigations are still ongoing on those who are the funders and those who incited violence and those who are planners. And we haven't stopped yet. Just in case people think that we have relaxed, you will be seeing more people who are involved in these acts being taken to court. I just want to insist that because of the cosmopolitan nature of Kajiado, we would like to ask all our leaders as they undertake their political activities to be very mindful of their tongues and their words that come from their mouth that does not incite violence and differences among communities.
Mutongo TV nyene toboni mutisya.